Okay, welcome to another lesson on paint, and today we're going to be looking at the different styles of brushes. The one that you have been using most of the time is the standard brush, like so, but today we're going to see what other brushes are available to us. We can see here we have a calligraphy style. If we hover our mouse over it, will tell us the style that it's called. So this is called Calligraphy Brush. If we move it over to the side, leave the mouse there, it will tell us it's an airbrush, and so forth. All brush, watercolor brush. Okay, so let's go with a calligraphy style and see how it looks. Okay, you can see it is a calligraphy style brush pen. Next we're going to look at the airbrush, and we're going to try this. You can see again it's a slightly different style. And let's move on to crayon. Now don't forget, you can change the colors of these brushes by selecting the options up here. Okay, that's the crayon style. We've got a traditional pencil style as well. So as you go over the pencil again, you can see it will get darker as we continue going over the pencil, like so. And the other one is a watercolor style brush. Okay, so you can do watercolor style paintings. Okay, so for today's task, what you're going to do is you're going to draw 3 shapes on your piece of paper, and you're going to fill them in using the 3 different styles of brushes that I've listed here. So the first shape is going to be filled in using your airbrush, the second shape your watercolor, and the third shape is your crayon. So first off, we need to draw our shapes onto our paper. So make sure you have your color 1 selected as the black color, and we're going to pick 3 shapes. You can choose any 3 shapes that you like for your work. I'm going to go with an oval, and then I'm going to go with an arrow and a star. Okay, so the first shape you have, you're going to fill it in using an airbrush, and you're going to try and color it in using the airbrush tool. You can choose any color you like to fill it in, and you might need to change the sizes as you come to do the corners. Try and get it to be in the shape as much as possible using the 3 different designs. The second shape you're going to fill in using your watercolor. Again, you can change the style, you can change the width of the brush, and you're going to fill in all the shapes like so. Okay, so when you finish the first 2 shapes, you're going to work on the third shape, which is going to be filled in using the crayon tool. If you're not sure which one, you can hover the mouse over and it will tell you which type of brush that you are using. So we're going to select the crayon. Again, select the color that you'd like to color in the crayon, and don't forget to change the size if you need to get into these corner bits like so. So when you finished up, it should look like this. Okay, and once you finish using these 3 different styles of brushes, it will look something like this. Again, you can choose the shapes that you want to pick. Please can you upload that to your Google Classroom, and I will be looking forward to marking your work. Thank you very much.